Class 8 math percentage. Percentage is required to calculate rate of increase or decrease, and percent means on 100. Means how much a quantity is increasing or decreasing on 100. And it is calculated on the fact that we take increase or decrease upon the value at or over what it increases, and then it is multiplied by 100, because name is percent, means on every 100 how much increase. So here is given fraction and percentage are related to each other. It is exercise 9A, question number 1, and it's part 1. Express each of the following fraction, following as fraction. 48%. 48% you have to reduce it in fraction. So 48% will be equal to 48 into percent means 1 upon 100. Simplify it. 4 12 and 4 25. Therefore fraction is 12 upon 25. This way. Similarly, two more parts are here. 220%. It is second part. 220% is equal to 220 upon 100. 120, 2 5 ja 11 ja, so it is 11 upon 5, like this. Then question 2 here is, it has also 3 parts. Express as decimal. 6% is equal to 6 into 1 upon 100. So it is 0.06. Divide 6 by 100. It will convert into decimal. Likewise, its second part, it was first part. Second part is 72%. 72 into 1 upon 100 or upon 100, and it is 0.7. You know the rules by which a fraction can be changed into percentage. If 2 zeros are here, decimal is here, after means right to 2 places it will come towards left and it becomes 0.72. So these two questions in which ratio or percentage is changed into ratio or decimal. Likewise. So express as percentage. Here in question 3, ratio is given, it has to be changed into percentage. Let us stop for a moment. Ratio is given. To change this ratio, 9 upon 25 is equal to 9 upon 25 into right here 100 and percent. 25 4 ja, so it becomes 36%. Multiplied by 100 and right here percent. Its second part is, or take third part, which is how much? 12 upon 5. It is equal to 12 upon 5 into 100 right here and here percent. 520 ja, so it becomes 240%. Like this. Question 3. Then question 4 is, convert the ratio to percentage. In question 4, ratio is given. Question ratio and it becomes 4 by 5 into 100%, that is 80%. Likewise, it is question number 4. Then in 5 it gives express 125% as ratio 125%. Question 5, it's converged. Question 5, 125 to be converted into ratio 125 upon 100. It is 25 5 there, 25 4 there. Here is 5, here is 4. This is 5 by 4, and in ratio it becomes 5:4. Likewise, which is largest? In question 6, it asks which is largest. 2 by 3% or 3 by 20 and 0.14. Among these three, which one is largest? So better we should change it. It is 3 by 20 and it is 0.14. So change into ratio. It is in ratio. The 2 into ratio. 20 by 3 into 100. It becomes ratio. 3 by 20 is in ratio and 0.14 is 40 upon 100. Because 2 places of decimal are here. So here 10 plus 2 5 it becomes 1 upon 15. Then 3 by 20 and then it is 7 by 50. So which one is largest? So you have to take LCM here. LCM of 1550 is 150 and in 20 2 is there, so it will be 300. You calculate LCM, you know the method. So it becomes 15, 2 is 20, 3 by 20 by 20 divided becomes 15, so it becomes 45. When 300 is divided by 50 comes 6, 6 7 is 42. Thus you see here, when denominator becomes same, then greatest is 3 by 20. Therefore the largest among given percentage ratio or decimal is 3 by 20. Largest is 3 by 20. This is our answer. Understood? So we have done up to question number 6 here, percentage, which is included in your syllabus. It is chapter 9. Then from question 7, some practical problems will come. What percent of 150 is 96? Means 96 is what percent of 150? 71. It asks 96 is what percent of 150? So required percent will be 96 upon 150 into 100. But here 5 3 ja, 5 2 ja, then by 3 it comes 24 times, so it becomes 48%. Similarly, what percent of 5 kg is 200 gram? So change into grams, it will be, the ratio will be 200 upon 5 kg means 5000. If this becomes ratio in gram, gram becomes cancel, and percentage will be 5000 into 100. So 2 zeros here, 1 zero from here. Here is 520, so it becomes 4%. You understood? So you did 2 parts of question 7. Now we should proceed to question number 8. Find 4.5% of rupees 3600. Rupees should be here. It is 4 by 2 is 9 by 2% of 3600, which is equal to 9 by 2% is removed by into 1 upon 100, and of is 3600. So this becomes that much, and this 2 cuts 36 and 18, so it becomes 1962 rupees. This is number 8. Likewise, we are proceeding. Then question 9 from 6% of number 72. If 16% of a number is 72, find the number. Question 9. 16% of a number is 72. So let number be x. So 16% of x is equal to 70. Let the number be x. Right? People write here. Let the number be x. So 16 upon 100 of x is equal to 72. Therefore, x will be equal to 100 will go up, 16 will come down. 72 into 100 upon 16. Cut it, 8 to the 16, 8 9 ja. By 2 it becomes 50 times. So it becomes 9 5 ja 45. 450 means number is 450, whose 16% is 72. So it's very simple. You see here. Question 10. I am reading only. A man saves 18% of his monthly income. If he saves rupees 3780 per month, what is his monthly income? Here also you will suppose in question 10 that let his monthly income be x. Let his monthly income be rupees x. You can write, therefore 18% of x is his saving, and that is given 3780, which implies 18 into 1 upon 100, so comes 100 here of x 3780. As in previous sum, therefore x will be 3780 into 100 upon 18. Cut it by 18. 18 2 is 36. 1 is left over. Then 1 8. 18 1 0. So it becomes 210, and it will be rupees 21 followed by 3 zeros, means rupees 21,000. So if he saves rupees 3780 per month at the rate of 18%, then his income is rupees 21,000. This is number 10th here. So Let us proceed continuously because the chapter is very simple as you see here. Question 11. Now practical problems on the base of percentage are ongoing. A football team wins 7 games, which is 35% of the total games played. How many games were played in all? A football team wins 7 games, which is 35% of total games. How many games he played is not known. So assume here, let the team played X games, because that is not known. So it says 35% of X is equal to 7. It wins 7 games. So which implies 35 by 100 of X is equal to 7, which implies X is equal to, as per rule, 100 goes up, 35 comes below, 7 5 ja and 5 20 ja. It means team has played 20 games, out of which team wins 7 games, which becomes 35% of the total game played. It is number 11. Now let us rub this question. I am doing it from R.S. Agarwal book. You can see your book prescribed by board, which is available here in the school to get more songs. Amit was given an increment of 20% on his salary. Amit is a person. He has given 20% increment on his salary. If new salary becomes 30,600 rupees, 37,600, what was his salary before the increment? So let salary before increment was rupees X. So he says his new salary is this much, means X is original salary, and he gets an increase of 20% of X is equal to 13,600. He says, Amit was given an increment of 20% on his salary. If his new salary is rupees 30,600, what was his salary before increment? So here we shall assume, let salary before increment was rupees X. So 30,600 is salary in which increment and original salary are included. So we add original salary, which is X, and increment, which is 20% of X, then it will be equal to new salary. Therefore X plus here 20 by 100X is equal to 30,600. You solve this simple equation. It is here 5, here is 1, take LCM, it becomes 5X plus X, because here is 1, is equal to 30,600. Here becomes 6X, 6 is above and 5 is below, and X. So X is equal to 5 will go in that side and 6 will come down. So 6, 5 is 30, 6, 1 is 6, 0, 0. When the two are multiplied, it becomes 0, 0, 5, and 25. So it means his initial salary was 25,500, and now by giving 20% increment, his salary becomes rupees 30,600. So see, very much applicable in this chapter in calculating increase, decrease, or anything which will be very much applicable in your life. Now you see, number 13 is here to indicate you how you can calculate percentage of your attendance in school. So see here, in 13, Sonal attended her school on 204 days in a full year. If her attendance was 85%, find the number of days on which the school was opened. Question number 13. Sonal attended her school on 204 days and her attendance is 85% of the number of days on which school was opened. Let the school was opened on X days. How many days the school was had worked is not known. So he says 85% of total school days is equal to her attendance of 204 days. Therefore, 85% of X is going to be X can be calculated, and the number of days for which school was run will come very easily. So it is also a practical problem. X will be equal to 204, 100 will go up, and 85 will come down. But by 5 17 is 85, 5 20 is by 17, 204 plus 17 1 is 17, 3 4, it is 2 is, so it becomes 12 2 is 240 days. Means the working days of the school was in total 240 days. So here we have finished up to question number 13. 23 questions are here. Then there will be an objective exercise and your board book which is prescribed for you. So you will do sums from that book. In other video, I shall try to complete the whole exercise. So let us finish over here.